Hey, what's up? Check this out. So, Helium 10 X-ray is a Chrome extension that uses advanced algorithms, blah, blah, blah. It's supposed to be 94% accurate. Okay? 94% accuracy rate. Within 22 units of actual sales. Today, I'm going to be testing whether or not that's true and whether or not that matters, along with a bunch of other useful things that I could think to do to make some type of entertaining video. Alright. So, let's get into it. First of all, what the heck is this X-ray thing? It's this, and it tells you search volume of a particular keyword that you're using. It also shows you the sales of competitors on Amazon, one of many tools by Helium 10. Okay, so this is the most useful thing that I think a lot of beginning Amazon sellers are looking to get into. It's just like, I want to start selling, I want some proof of concept that this is going to work if I try it. So I need to know that when I look something up, if it says it's making, this isn't a beginner product, but if it says it's making $174,000 per month, god damn it, it better be. And in this case, I don't have the answer. I don't know if it is or not, but I do know how much my product sells. So let's pull Exhibit A. Okay, so search query performance report, right? It tells you exactly how many searches a particular keyword has. And we're going to be focusing on this number here, 14,180. Such a good video. Everyone comment, best video I've ever seen. Thank you. So search volume, 12,796. Okay, that's pretty close. So, by the way, I'm doing a very bad job of explaining this. The 14,000 number was the real number from Amazon that the search term that I'm using in this case has. And this is the search volume that Helium 10 guesstimated or estimated or thought it was. Okay? So it's pretty close. So if you're looking and you're like, I need to know how many customers there are, that's pretty good. Oh yes, the number of actual sales my product has. So I lost the damn thing. Okay, revenue, $29,811.48 is what Helium 10 guesses my product is doing in sales every month. Now the real number is, hang on, I gotta do a fancy transition. Oh, it's a mystery. It's a mystery. Alright, video ends there. That would be upsetting. Okay, here we go. Which way is it? There we go. Oh, I totally played you guys. I gave you the number of monthly units it's selling. Hang on. Here we go. Okay, $36,420. And that's completely accurate because this is my new brand account. This is just one product. So that's not multiple products. That's just one. There's focus. Now we're a little off again. Helium 10, I would not say was 94% accurate. But like I prefaced in the beginning, how much does that actually matter? I don't think it matters that much because it said I was selling 30K per month. I'm selling 36,000 per month. That's enough information for me to be able to feel confident moving forward. If it said 12,000 per month or something like that, even 20,000 per month, I'd be pretty upset. Also, I have a unique product because we sell a lot of units in single order, so it's one order, but someone will buy 5. Okay, so I don't know how their algorithms sort that kind of thing out. We have a lot of multiple unit purchases, high lifetime value of a customer, a lot of repeat purchases. Last week we had 10% returning customers. Fun fact. Both pretty close and both under what it really was, which is important, right? Because if I was going to sell fishing line and I wanted to sell, my goal was 10K a month in sales, etc. In all of these numbers say it was the other way. It said I was doing 36,000. I'm really only selling 28, 29. Said there was 15,000 in searches. It's really only 12. That could be dangerous. Underestimating is the side I'd rather have it on. So I don't think it matters. I think that is pretty close. Is it 94% and within 22 units? No, I don't think so. No, I know so, actually, in fact. However, like I said, if you're just starting selling on Amazon, the amount of tools that Helium 10 has and the accuracy being within that margin of error that I just showcased. And again, I would encourage you, if you're selling on Amazon, do the same thing. Post your results down below. If you know other YouTubers that, probably know YouTubers as good as I am, most certainly, but ask them to do it on their stores, etc. But yeah, not a very long video. Just wanted to post that. Someone asked about this. I thought that would be kind of fun, and it wasn't. But the moral of the story is, when you're looking at these numbers, in my one specific case of it being conservative and lower, and I've done this in the past, I did this 3 years ago, and the same thing happened. It was lower than my actual sales were. So in my world, that's 100% true that it's going to be low, because I've tested it twice. It was low both times. Assume the real number is maybe 5 or 10% higher than those numbers. That's my take on it, because I tested it and that's what happened. So if you're going into a market and it says 70,000 search volume, assume it might be 75,000, 77,000. If you're looking at a product that says it's doing 50,000, 55,000, assume it's doing 60,000. I mean, at the end of the day, there's a lot of variables going on here. I didn't think it would be perfect. No one's perfect. Not even software. So do with that what you will. Subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next one. I don't know why I'm being so weird. All right, later.